Let's study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry Tips and Tricks.
From the rate expression for the following reaction, determine their order of reaction and the dimension, which means unit, of the rate constant. Okay. First question, 2NO gives N2O. Rate expression is what? R is equal to K, NO raised to 2. And from the power, we are directly getting the order, right? What is the order? Order is 2. Okay. Now, what is the next task? We have to find the unit of K. For second order, what is the unit of K? Unit of K for second order. See, for that, I have a simple trick. Okay, see, N, okay. N, you can write the order number. What is that? 2. Mole raised to 1 minus N, where N is the order, okay. L raised to N minus 1, second raised to minus. Okay, it is applicable for all orders. So what is that? Mole 1 minus, here what is the order? 2. Then liter N minus 1. So 2 minus 1, second raised to minus 1. So what is the answer? Mole 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Liter 2 minus 1 is 1. Second raised to minus 1. Clear? Hope all of you understand. So that is the answer. Moving to the second sub question. You can see the second question, right? And you can see the rate expression. Okay, rate low. Now, see, rate is equal to K, H₂O₂ raised to 1 into I minus raised to 1. So what is the order? Just add the powers, right? If more than one reactant is there, then just add the powers of the concentration term. So 1 plus 1. So what is that? 1 plus 1 gives 2. Now what is the unit of K? Unit of K, you know, you have a trick. How to do it? Mole raised to 1 minus N. What is N? 2, right? 1 minus 2, liter 2 minus 1. Then second raised to minus 1. So what is that? Mole inverse liter second inverse. Again second order reaction. So same unit. So we can move to the third question. Okay, for third question you can see the equation. Now rate low you can see. Now what is the order? It is very clear, right? Order is what? Check the power of the concentration term. It is 3 by 2. Now what is the unit of K? We have a trick, right? Okay, so use it. Mole 1 minus, what is N here? 3 by 2. Liter 3 by 2 minus 1. Second raised to minus 1. So what you're going to get? Mole 1 minus 3 by 2 is what? Minus 1 by 2, right? Now liter 3 by 2 minus 1 is what? 1 by 2, correct? Second raised to minus 1. Hope all of you understand. See, this is the last sub question. See, you can see the equation and rate law. It is very clear that power of the concentration term is what? 1, right? 1. So order is 1. Now what is the unit of K? We have a trick, right? So mole 1 minus N. N is what? Again 1. So mole raised to 1 minus 1. Liter raised to 1 minus 1. Second raised to minus 1. So what is that? Mole raised to 0 means 1. Liter raised to 0 means 1. So what is left? Second raised to minus 1. Mole raised to 0. Liter raised to 0. Second raised to minus 1. You must know x raised to 0 is 1. X raised to 0 is not 0. It is 1. That you keep in mind. Okay, that you keep in mind. Okay.